Check this out, this beautiful fish. So the first thing you wanna do is to clean it from slime under the water. Then you see this barb and you need to cut it off firstly because it's really dangerous and venomous. The next step is going to be to clean guts, and we can keep liver with sperms as well. So for the next step we need to cut it around its gut and head like this, so we've got only fillet and nothing else. And now you see probably the hardest part. You need to skin it like that. It's not easy, it takes time, but then you got this soft meat. My advice would be to pull it stark but gentle so you don't tear it apart. Because if you tear it apart into small pieces, you won't get it off. So basically in the end it should look like this. It's just clear meat. And now I'm gonna fry it, and you can see the results are pretty good. We've got some meat and also a liver. Let's go.